It's the RH to the EEE. You're rocking with the best from the CPT.
Tell music, DSO. This DSO, I'm telling music. We don't need to fight about that.
You already know. Yeah. So, iwe enzekayo, I'm just gonna throw away the chan, yeah, and then when
Go. Speak.
one must go.
It's fine.
Current.
Dimile.
Ayikho personal, guys. It's a game sadlala. It's a game sadlala. Sadlala a game.
Yengeni. Tony Yengeni. I spoke about
Madness or Pizzo. One must go.
Pizzo is my guy. I like Madness. Madness is a very, very long history, but I like Pizzo.
Okay, so Mugs and Pretty Ugly. Which one must go?
Pretty Ugly must go because Mugs ngumsunguli. And mna ingxaki yami Magubane nomsunguli usungula into engekacaceleki ebantwini ibonakalisa loo nto uba phambili. Inkosi.
Rathizi baza bethunya abahlali. One must go. Ndlulamthi. Retex Ndlulamthi. Which one must go? Gomba fambe hamba between Ndlulamthi. Jonga khumbula ayikho personal, just preference.
I must take Ora because before there was Ndlulamthi there was Ora who dala Ora kaloku wama into yethu andizukwazi kaloku ukuthi obutabo ngenze ngathi andilolokonya. Thabo must take the space.
Easy. Pin code. Pro X. One must.
I've always liked to pin code. Pin code, but also Nthanda Nomfuleni. No Prince, the Massive 10. Mfuleni is a home outside of my home. Mfuleni ayondawo. Umfuleni indawo yentswembu for us. Siyahamba siye nasemfuleni ngenyawo singakhange sibhatale. So Mfuleni for us.
Starting a rap, starting a lyrical content.
Yeah, but
starting a hustle.
But still I still maintain. Ngamthanda Pin Code. Pin Code represents ngwamncinci. Wakona abantu abadala kuno Pin Code. Pin Code is my leader.
Flash ikumkani no Bravo le rules. RIP to Bravo. Let's take a moment of silence for Bravo.
Flash kumkani nguMadiba. Udlomo noSophisha. Madiba.
Which one must go?
One is Bravo must still reign because Bravo makes all of us to live in the same space. Flash Kumkani makes us to live in the same space at Joburg, but xa sisonke sizama ukwenza amandla kuBravo. Bravo
must go.
Bravo is a leader, not Flash.
So who must go?
Flash Kumkani.
Flash must go.
Madiba. Madiba na Madiba nyamezela Madiba.
Dynasties or Holy Alpha, which one must current?
Even if I have not listened to this other person, Holy Alpha is still. Holy Alpha ne uyayazi ba kwakwenzeka intoni ezisime ngolu hlobo. So ndihamba naye. I'm sorry. You could be better, but I'm sorry.
Aye. Timo. Black Saturday or Des Flex?
Timo. Des Flex is in some other. Timo is where we are in Cape Metro, where we can say Timo we are better. Timo sekwazi umxelela uDes Flex ukude yakwazi ukuba Timo haputi. This is really important. Sabulela
Abadwanguzelu Evo Baker to Phoenix. Aye.
ngafa uPhoenix
Ava Phoenix.
abadwanguzeli created a new kind
Dwangu.
uPhoenix ngiyamthanda ne. I have always loved uPhoenix because uPhoenix akanoyiki namanoyiki, but abadwanguzeli must get their props.
Okay.
Ngathanda abadwanguzeli because they added a new energy in the space. Abadwanguzeli badwanguzela bayenza into ba sibone song ba uThixo nathi.
Okay.
Bulela, but uPhoenix ngiyamthanda okoko.
Uefa or uBrilly. One must go.
Effa is my leader. She must not go. Effa must lead. Effa is able to rap in many different ways. Effa is a real MC.
Oh yeah.
So thina ba azange simhoye ayoyakhe sithi sabanala webasibadala and kona bantwana abancinci abafana no-Effa efuna sibahoyile.
One must go.
I have no problem with Effa staying.
Aye.
Effa must always stay.
DAT or Simbone. One must go. Oyi-one sicela singaphinde simbone.
DAT must always be here. DAT teaches us about being always in understanding
With
of
that.
what. Yeah. But DAT is I always support DAT.
Esovala ngayo i-one. Danko, appreciate you. Uze le platform ka One Must Go. Egqibelo. Dangathi.
Yeah, now you're okay. Yeah, now I'm starting to. I'm gonna fight everyone for Tangai. I don't wanna lie.
Hey, Dangathi. O
Yeah,
abantu. One Must Go.
Who's-
Dangathi o abantu. Abusithini?
I would rather stay with you, Dangaji. Dangaji is a foundation of how we're going to be here and how we're going
Abantu.
Yeah. Dangaji also teaches us that asingabantu
Asingabantu.
Banyamezele.
No pun intended.
Nyamezeleki. I'm sorry there. If there's I'm speaking here as a Godman. If kukho umuntu onothetha into engcono, uDangatye kubani igama Dangatye, he raps he doesn't rap like you are very like
Aye. Masigcine apha.
but also technically, how do you rap?
Yes.
What are the things that are there? Dangatye doesn't rap like this.
Like cadence.
Dangatye cadence yakhe is not, but he's still.
So it's champion. Abantu.
Abantu is a leader. There's nothing that we can say about
Abantu.
Abantu.
Until you catch the next motherfucking episode. I'm here with Netisa. Alright, cool.